everybody, you enjoy Miss Natasha performance? Thank you for two people. The rest, I don't know what they are doing though. Did they even watch the show? Are you enjoying my performance? Thank you. See, Natasha, very beautiful. She is known as the most sexy trans woman in Blue Chile. Cho liền thả một đi đó mà, tại tại cái bạn sai. Mày tức mày ta. Do you think you're the most beautiful trans woman in Cambodia?
Yes.
Who is the number one transgender woman in Cambodia?
A lot so much.
A lot, there's a lot. Can you name one person? Hãy chưa cả một chút nữa.
One? Oh, Phan. Yes, only one. Only one.
Pang Pang, beautiful inside out, right? You're not